I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA, and today I want to talk to you about setting environmental conditions in Proteus Oceanographic. This is Proteus Oceanographic Designer. In the top, you'll see the Environment button. Click on that. This is where we can set the water depth for the mooring, as well as the current profile. The current profile is described as a series of depth-dependent velocity points. This information will be used when the input files are created for ProteusDS, and the current is eventually going to be linearly interpolated between the points you provide. The last point doesn't actually need to match up with the water depth. It'll just assume whatever is at the end here is constant until you reach the sea depth. For example, if you set this to 2,000 meters water depth, but you only provide data points to 1,000 meters, it'll assume that it's half meter per second through the rest of the water column. We'll go back to 1,000. And we'll add some more data points. So we'll say depth in water column 500, and then we'll add 0.85 meters per second. Okay, and we'll save it and save the project. Okay, that's how you set the current profile properties in Proteus Oceanographic. Thanks for watching.